this season, but they have a fourth scorer on the
Oo.
team. This rookie, this 16-year-old rookie from Pangasinan who has been playing splendid volleyball for NU, itong si Aiko Urdas.
Aiko Urdas, one of the young talents of NU, but whenever she comes off the bench, she just produces necessary points to get back into the rotation. And now I think she's also given it a chance to start off, and that's very good for a young player like what you mentioned, 16 years old. 8.5 points per game, 6 of them coming from attack, so that's really more than Cente could ask for from this very young player in Aiko Urdas.
All right, let's get to know Aiko a little bit, as earlier today, Kat Salao had a chance to speak with a 16-year-old NU rookie from Pangasinan, Aiko Urdas.
Aiko, ngayon ang ganda ng record ng NU Lady Bulldog. Gano'n ko kasaya na yung trust and confidence na yun ni Coach Francis at ng team ay malaki?
Sobrang masaya po kasi first year pa lang po ako. Nandiyan na po yung trust nila sa akin at nandun po yung chemistry po.
And gano'n kahirap kayo nagtitraining ngayon na makakaabot na kayo sa Final Four?
Mahirap po. Kailangan po kasi namin silang paghandaan para makapasok po kami sa Final Four.
Thank you so much, Aiko, and good luck to the NU Lady Bulldogs. Anton?